Why do we need C4? Let's begin by imagining a world split in two. On the left side, we have a world full of silos, where learning and workspaces are divided by disciplines, where people stay in their own spaces and don't know how to talk to each other and work together. Artists hang out with artists, scientists with scientists, writers with writers, and teachers with teachers. On the right side, we have a world where there are no silos, where people come together for a common purpose with their own knowledge and experience. Between these two worlds, there's nothing but a vast sea. In the sea, there are sharks, jellyfish, maybe an electric eel or two, and other scary unknowns. But what happens when the world on the left side wants to tackle a complex challenge? One that requires more than one way of seeing the world and solving problems. They will realize they do not know how to come together. They have no choice but to find a way across on their own. Some would choose to swim across, others would call on their family, but most would sink. But what if we create a learning space to start connecting the two worlds, one that brings students to a place of common purpose, where their diverse skills, approaches, and ways of thinking are not a part of the problem, but rather the key to finding a good solution, giving them not just a chance to apply what they have been learning, but to give them a space to work out how the things they are learning go together, to collaborate in a meaningful and impactful way before graduation. This scaffolding of a bridge is what we like to call C4. C4 is the start of a bridge, but it's built by students anew each year, supported by mentors and professors. Mentors advise based on their professional experience. Professors guide students through their learning process. But it is the students who take the lead. It is their passion, research, imagination, and determination that builds the bridge. In some way, this is the scariest part, not the sea creatures below. For many students, this is the first time they have been allowed to lead their own learning to such a degree. It can take some time getting used to. C4's bridge will look different each year, brought to life by the unique swirls of people who made it happen, each bringing their distinct experiences, talents, and curiosity into the classroom. C4 is a space where people can bring all of themselves to find out who they are and what they have to offer. It tests your assumptions and beliefs, your values and habits. It is through the doing and doing together that we learn about ourselves, our disciplines, and the world. So, we invite you to join C4 to help us build a bridge, to work with us to change academia and the real world, to bring these worlds together, and to make the world a better place.